Yo, what up guys, it's Juan at JB Reviews. Today I have a DAC amp combo for headphones. It's going to be the Massdrop LCX SDAC. So just a quick one today guys, I have a DAC amp combo for those of you that might have nicer higher end headphones that are looking for cleaner sound and just better audio quality. In terms of overall packaging, I think Massdrop did a pretty good job in terms of keeping it minimal while still pretty classy and such. You're pretty much just going to be getting a cardboard box with some foam on the inside, and as you can see, the packaging is really straightforward, nothing too flashy. You're going to be getting the unit inside a pretty nice little bag. It's going to be made up, it feels like polyester, give or take, in terms of material, and of course you do get your power supply unit beside that, along with that USB micro to USB-A cable inside. I did pick up a nice pair of headphones by Sony. It's actually their top tier pair of headphones. It's going to be the Sony MDR Z1Rs. These things are going to be nice, and obviously I'll be pairing those up with this DAC amp combo here. I'll be doing that in a future video, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, overall the build on this DAC amp combo is really solid. It's legit. It's basically just a metal build encasing the DAC amp combo, and quite frankly I don't think we'll be complaining about the build, and it's pretty sturdy in terms of how it grips onto any surface due to the rubber pads that it has underneath it as well. So the DAC that I have on the unit here is going to be nicer than compared to a smartphone or a PC motherboard, for example. DAC meaning digital to analog converter. Now what this will do is reduce the noise and just overall distortion that you might find on the sound signature of whatever song that you might be listening to on your headphones. Now since it is a DAC amp combo, you will also be getting an amplifier on this unit, which will be perfect. I really wasn't looking for a stack build with a separate DAC and a separate amp for headphones or anything like that. I figured I just wanted a solid one unit system that kind of did it all, that was pretty clean and high quality without the hassle of, you know, doing a dual setup like that. Not really my style. So with it being an amp, you do obviously get your power button on the front, you do get your 1/4 inch jack, your XLR input right there, you get a gain switch, your volume knob, and an input knob. I will say that the 1/4 inch jack power output is going to be a bit on the lower side. It's only going to give you about 0.7 watts if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what it did say. While the XLR is going to give you about 2.8 approximately from what I remember seeing on the specs. So that one is going to be your go-to. So if you do have an XLR cable that you can hook up to this amp, if you do have it, or just any, you know, amp in general, definitely go XLR over 1/4 inch. That will give you just a cleaner sound in general. Now on the back of the unit, with it being a digital to analog converter with an amp built in all together, you do obviously get all sorts of ports on the back side. The unit itself does also plug in via USB micro to USB-A to your PC, and of course you just get a general power outlet right there as well on the unit. Now again, this is going to be a solid state amp, and overall I'm pretty excited to test it out on the pair of headphones that I have. Again, stay tuned for that review. I'll probably just do a quick teaser B-roll shot here of the actual headphones that I'll be using and testing out, so again, stay tuned for that. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, comment down below as well with any questions or comments that you might have on this SDAC combo by Massdrop or other products that you might want to see on the channel. Aside from that, it's Juan at JB Reviews. I'll catch you next time.